Bonsoir. We are going to jump into the numbers. This is very important. This video is going to feel very tedious because the only way to learn numbers is by practicing them in rote. That means you're going to repeat over and over again. Obviously, you're also going to just do this after you thumbs up the video and download it. When you download it, you should play it in your car. You should play it in your sleep. Numbers are crucial in Haiti. When you're wanting to know a child's age, you're going to need to know your numbers before you can learn to even tell age, which comes up in Leçon 5. In lesson 5, you will learn how to tell age, but the prerequisite is to know numbers. You also need to know your numbers when dealing with money. Very important. Haggling is a gift to you from Haitians. We consider it a skill, but you have to know your numbers in order to understand what you're really haggling for. Okay, so I like to really emphasize that I teach numbers 1 through 20 early on, because when we get to lessons 18, 19, 20, you're then ready to start rote learning numbers 1 through 100. Not right now. You have a lot of vocabulary you're crunching into your brain. So please focus only on numbers 1 through 20 with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count from 1 to 20 just for you to listen. I know most of you are looking right now at Leçon 4. Okay, that's totally okay that you're looking at the words on Leçon 4 just for the first time. Okay, it's not that I'm a tough teacher. I've kind of come to this place where I can see what actually works for people, because at this point we've taught thousands of people Creole one-on-one, thousands. I mean, in person. We've come to a place where we could say we've taught, goodness, thousands. It's very interesting to say now. And we get a lot of questions, my daughter and I. And one of the things that I have noticed is the majority of people say, répétez, répétez, répétez. And that's what I am doing. The old videos, I didn't répéter a lot. And so now I am doing this for you. So get ready. I'm going to count from 1 to 20. You can look at the numbers on Leçon 4. And after I count from 1 to 20, I will let you know what I'm doing next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good listening, okay? Bien écouter. Well listening. That's how we would say good listening. We would not say bon. Bien écouter. Well listening, okay? Bien écouter. Répétez. Bien écouter. Okay, so what's happening right now is I am going to count. I'm going to say each number from 1 to 20, but you're going to repeat the number right after me twice. We're going to do this, okay? This is to help you make sure that you are articulating each individual number correctly. I don't want you to count from 1 to 20, but you're not articulating it correctly. So I want to empower your articulation skills while helping you to memorize the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay? So répétez after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Répétez again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bien fait. Okay. Now you're ready to count in fives, okay? We are going to do this once. I will count from 1 to 5. You will répéter. I will count from 6 to 10. You will répéter. I will count from 11 to 15. You will répéter. And then I will count from 16 to 20 and you will répéter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bien fait. Well done. So now I'm going to count from 1 to 10. You will répéter. Then I will count from 11 to 20. You will répéter. And then we're going to do that one again because it's more of a load. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Répétez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bien fait. Remember, if I ever interrupt you repeating after me, you can push pause. If you feel like I'm going too long, you can répéter again and push pause before I continue your second time round. Now we're going to do 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Répétez. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bien fait. Now you're ready to count from 1 all the way to 20. And we are going to do that 2 times non-stop. Parler ou parler. You ready? Ou parler? OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember, if I interrupt your counting, push pause. If I'm just sitting here smiling at you and you're already done, you can keep counting and push pause to do it a second time. Okay? Now, I am going to répéter 1 to 20 without stopping. And you are going to répéter after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bien fait. Okay, now you are ready for your next video. Emily's going to be saying the alphabet, not the alphabet, vocabulaire 4. That means she's going to be saying vocabulary number 4. Vocabulaire 4. Remember, she's going to say the word. You're going to repeat it after her. But just like you've been doing every time, before you watch Emily's videos, always go to that vocabulary list and look in the back in the dictionary for the word meaning so that you write them down and you know what they mean. After you do that, because that's sharpening your skills, to go to the dictionary, look up the word, visualize it, see what it means. Then when Emily is telling you the word, you are répéter. You are repeating after her, already knowing what the words mean. Okay, guys, get ready. And after that, we're going to go deeper with your vocabulaire 4.